Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix GTA 5 online not loading or not working on PC. So here follow these steps. You have to reset your internet connection. To do so, in search type command prompt and run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Now here you have to type some code. Copy paste this code from the video description one by one and hit enter. Next, type ipconfig/dns, then type ipconfig/renew and hit enter. These codes are safe to use as it is used for only resetting your internet connection, that's all. So copy and paste this code from the video description. Now you can see you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close the command prompt, then click on Windows icon and then restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, you can then launch GTA 5 and check your problem is fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please share this video and like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get latest updates. Thank you.